I'm going to blow your mind. I'm going to show you the ultimate concert photos and what exactly makes them just that. I'm Robert Maxfield. I'm a concert and music photographer in Dallas-Fort Worth, Texas, and welcome to my channel, Max Concert Photography, where we talk all things concert photography. Duh. Anyway, get ready. The ultimate concert photograph has one unique quality. When you look at the photograph may stand out all on its own and be a perfectly normal, fine photograph, but you may not even notice this one quality until you look really deep into the photograph. And then when you find it and you realize you found that quality, lights go off, fireworks happen, you found the Holy Grail and maybe even the Ark of the Covenant. But this one quality, when you do find it, just says it all. It makes the whole thing, the whole photograph. I'm going to show you the first photograph in its natural state. And when you look at it, you'll go, hey, that's an average photograph, because it does look average until I show you what that quality that is unique to it that makes it really, really stand out. So here's the first photograph. This photograph is of Ali Venable, and it looks pretty normal, at least first glance. This shot is a pretty much very standard concert photography shot. Nothing fancy, just looks kind of run-of-the-mill. But she's looking directly at me, and we're going to do something with it. By all standards, this photograph is perfectly acceptable by just about everybody. It's pretty much standard. Now we take the same exact photograph and we crop out a lot of the garbage, and you can see exactly what's happening. The shot is starting to change, and that quality is starting to show itself. Now, look at this photograph and notice the difference. Major, major, major difference from what the original shot was. These photos show the ultimate quality that makes these the ultimate concert photographs. Okay, I know, it's hard to believe that all three of those shots are the same original exact photograph. They're the same. But the difference is that one unique quality. This photograph is of Rachel Stacey, and man, when I die, I want this woman to sing Amazing Grace at my funeral. But anyway, if you look at this shot, it is a perfectly normal concert outdoor festival type shot. Out of that perfectly good, perfectly normal concert photography shot, this is what I extracted out of it from the same exact shot. This is that ultimate quality. This is a really good nighttime stage shot of Alex Aguilar, and it's a good concert shot. This is from the same exact photograph. This photograph shows this unique quality that I've been talking about. This photograph is produced from the same exact original photograph. It's that unique quality. You know, I wish this unique quality had a name. I don't know what it is, but it's truly amazing because you have multiple avenues to go down with just one photograph and producing all kinds of things. It's phenomenal. So tell me what you think about it. I'm going to show you Arthur Meneses in the next shot, and let me know what you think. This photograph of Arthur Meneses is pretty much a good standard portrait style photograph, concert photography. So I'm going to show you what I'm going to do with it right here. Okay, I zoomed him in a little bit and cleaned him up just a hair so that a lot of the stuff is not hanging around some of the garbage. But this is one example of that quality I was talking about. And now here is one of the many finished products from the same exact photograph. It's just one.